When you think about buying new furniture, a chest of drawers should be somewhere near the top of your list. Whether you need to refresh your living room, bedroom, or your kids' room, it's a great choice if you need some extra storage. Moreover, regardless of the style of your home, whether it's modern, industrial, or traditional, a chest of drawers can add more character to any space. You can choose between a wide variety of materials, add a unique style to your home, and gain more space for storing your belongings. We are here to tell you why you need a solid chest of drawers for your home. We all know that feeling of chaos when we can't find our belongings. It's frustrating, unnecessary, and avoidable. Simply make sure you always have storage space, a modern chest of drawers being a perfect solution. Not only will it look stylish, but it will also give you a great opportunity to better organize your surroundings. You can use the maximum amount of space every drawer has to offer by purchasing special boxes, which you can put inside a drawer to divide that space into more sections. It's a great idea if you want designated areas for all your small items, cables, underwear, documents, and much more. There is no denying that everyone would love to live in a beautiful apartment, but even with a small amount of space at your disposal, you can find plenty of storage opportunities. Buying a high-quality chest of drawers is one of them. If you like minimalistic interior, you would probably prefer to hide everything and have a clear space around you. Which is why this type of furniture is perfect for giving you extra space to store all your items. In one piece of furniture, you can get even 5 drawers where you can keep everything you need, from bedroom accessories such as duvet covers and pillowcases to clothes, documents, and keepsakes. The bedroom serves a couple of functions. Firstly, it is a place where we rest and find peace after a long day. Secondly, it is where we keep our clothes. The chest of drawers provides practical storage space, which is very needed in the bedroom. You can put this piece of furniture right next to your bed and have all essentials nearby in the morning. Like a bedside lamp, books, an alarm clock, and photos of your loved ones. The versatility of a chest of drawers is amazing. A must-have in any bedroom. A child-friendly room is one that is filled with toys, games, and all manner of things kids might need. Keeping the place tidy is difficult, especially when you have more than one child, a full-time job, and pets to take care of. However, buying a chest of drawers can solve the problem of chaos and disorder. No more falling over toys on the floor and irritation because of untidy room. Instead, what you will gain is a decluttered space and better organization at home. Thanks for watching. Until next time.